Hey, what's going on, guys? Once again, opening up a mystery box from Amazon. 24 boxes on the pallet. Pallet costs $900. So that's $37.50 a box. I triple, sometimes quadruple my money in these boxes. Anywhere from Xboxes to dog food, cat food, human food, coffee, tea. Usually the coffee or whatever is out of date, but it's never been opened. Everything's brand new, never been opened. So we're gonna start with this and see what we got. First thing we have is a 88-piece puzzle of the United States. Next one, another puzzle. Elephant stickers. Yes, that's for like a bedroom. Be the reason someone smiles today. Here we go. What is this? Yopic Bio. Organic sun-dried tomatoes. Like I said, you get anything in these boxes. I didn't even know. I never seen anything like this before. And it expired January 14th, 2022. So garbage. Christmas ornaments, couple of dollars. Paper towel holder. 2 of them. I'll open one and see what it looks like. Yep. Paper towel holder. If you're interested in anything, my eBay store will be on the bottom of this, and the comments. Everything goes up on there to sell. There, Marketplace, Poshmark. A ghost flag for Halloween, I guess. That's what I'm thinking. Next item. Why do they have this wrapped up like this? '2020 to 2021 planner. Nice one too. Give that to the wife. We have looks like pants. More. Gotta look that up later. Next item. Garland. Purple garland. Alright. There's really nothing great in this box yet. A trippy Planet. I don't know. I don't know if that's a ball or what. I have no idea. A Christmas mask. Terrible. Next item. These are a set of 4 pillowcases. Next item. Kerter, Kerter. For babies, there's 1, 2, 3. Nemo baby. I have no idea what these are though. Okay. Next item. Choco whitening, coconut flavor, natural dentist. Expiration date April 2022. I didn't know toothpaste could expire. You got a box that's open. Protein bars. Expired in April 2022. A bowl for Christmas. This is a cordless jump rope with a counter. This looks like a shirt. A moon mouse pad. Colored cotton string, 109 yards. I have no idea. Tees. Maybe it has something to do with golf. We have a leather pouch. Something to do with the dentist. Could be a toothbrush. Oh. I was right. Something to do with dentistry. Brand new. We got a phone case. Swim and sport conditioner. Imported Parmesan cheese. expired in March 2022. We have 16 colors change string lights. Flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. Last 3 items. Oh, Sonic toothbrush. Nice. That probably paid for this box by itself. Something to do with Halloween, little metal stuff. Just Happy Halloween on it. Witch's Castle. Anti-slip tape. That's it. Like this video. Hit the bell. Share it. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow.